Can my car overheat if it's low on oil? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. Now, if your car is low on oil, it can raise certain temperatures in the engine, although it's not likely going to make any difference on the gauge that you're reading. The gauge is based on engine coolant temperature. And so if you're low on oil, you're getting hot in places you may not even realize it. And even more importantly is that the oil will struggle to lubricate properly if there's not enough oil in there and the oil itself is running hotter. Also, oil kind of holds contaminants into suspension so they aren't contacting the parts in your car, so you can dump those contaminants out and also carry them to the oil filter. So bottom line is, whether or not it can cause your car to run hotter, don't run your car low on oil. It's like running your body low on blood pressure. So oil is critical. Make sure it's full all the time. Hope this has been informational to you. And until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.